Okay guys, now I've finished to cut what I was cutting. Yeah, I was putting the carrots. I was cutting the carrots and the potatoes. I just wanna boil them. Then I'm gonna boil also the meat, pork chop. Then I'm gonna fry them. You know, I just wanna make this like the big chops, you know. I just want to make something, you know, a balanced diet, something food, so that I can eat. Today I just want something to balance, you know, the balanced diet, eh? Things must balance, not eating food without balancing. No, you need a balanced diet. Now I'm cutting them. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, to comment and like. I'll show you when I finish everything. For now, it's bye.